Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Dodge Durango key fob. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. This common coin cell battery is readily available. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task usually takes only about 5 minutes from start to finish, so let's get started right away. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small indentation or slot along the edge of your Dodge Durango key fob. This is usually found near the key ring attachment point. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, slowly pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be careful not to use excessive force to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is crucial for correct reinstallation. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a distinct click, indicating that the two pieces have securely snapped into place. Once reassembled, take a moment to test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking, unlocking, and the panic button, to ensure everything is working perfectly. You have successfully replaced your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.